Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you're doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving lots of love to the channel. This is your extended love reading for the month of April. I hope it resonates with you. But please check your sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign, and I have already uploaded your general reading, your main love reading. You can have a look on that too. Okay, I don't read reversals and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. So now let's start your extended love reading. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. Help me out in the extended love reading. Okay. So before starting your reading, I'm going to tell you one more time what are the energies. So there is someone who is coming towards you with lot of love here, Aquarius, the King of Cups. Okay. This is someone who is coming towards you, and they're coming towards with lot of love. Okay, love offer is here, lot of emotions, emotional fulfillment, and maybe they're coming to say you a sorry apology. Okay, they want to create 10 of Pentacles with you. This is beautiful. This is abundance of everything. Okay, but they are having confusion here. I'm having the moon and the star, both are here, and this is very beautiful combination. I can say that. Why I'm saying that? Because this person is in confusion. Okay, maybe still is in confusion. Okay, they are not having any clarity about their own emotions, but this is someone, Aquarius, with whom you are destined to be. Okay, you are dealing with your soulmate or your twin flame. Okay, that I can see here. I am having bottom of the deck Emperor, and here in the reading there is an Empress. Okay, so I'm having the Emperor and the Empress both. Okay, this is beautiful. This is something which, you know, you both belong to each other. You are taking the energy of Queen of Swords. You already know the truth. And what you know the truth, that this person left you out in cold in the past. Okay, you know this person very well. This is not a new energy. This is someone from your past, okay, who is returning back with lot of love. Okay, they left you out in the cold, and now you are emotionally unavailable to this person. Okay, you are emotionally detached, and you are not in a mood to accept a cup from this person. Four of Cups, you are not ready to accept a cup. Okay, because you have the clarity. Okay, and if you're not having clarity, then you are going to receive the clarity here. There is Death card here. Okay, and death and rebirth, transformation is taking place for you, Aquarius. There is Ace of Cups. This is beautiful. They want to give you Ace of Cups. See, just my doorbell rings. They want to offer you lot of emotions. Okay, Aquarius, lot of emotions, emotion fulfillment is coming for you, Aquarius. Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. And you are rising as an Empress. Okay, they see you as an Empress. They see you as someone who is very loving, very motherly, very caring. Okay, so they see you as an Empress. And I already told you in my main reading, and I'm going to repeat that. The message was very clear. There was the Fool energy in every of my deck. Okay, in my every deck I was receiving the Fool card here. And the message was that you need to take a leap of faith, Aquarius, and move in a forward direction. Okay, so now let's start your clarification, and let's see what are the energies. Okay, well, let's see what are the deeper meaning of these cards, and let's see what are the messages, what are the more messages which are there for you. Okay, now let's start. Why there is King of Cups here? Please clarify. High Priestess. And this is truth. King of Cups and Queen of Cups both are someone who uses their intuitions, and now they are listening to their intuitions here, Aquarius. Okay, they are someone with intuitiveness. Okay, so they are using their intuitions. Why there is King of Cups here? Why there is King of Cups? Please clarify me, King of Cups. Too many cards, too many cards. No, I'm not going to take it. But one single card I'm going to take it. See, the Emperor. This is the same energy, okay? This is not the two person, and they are feeling very sad, remorse, guilt on whatever has happened in the past here, Aquarius, okay? Because bottom of the deck I was having the Emperor and Five of Cups both. So they are very sad on whatever they have done to you. They know that they have treated you wrong, okay? See, so High Priestess and the Emperor both are here. So okay, why there is Page of Cup? Clarify me, Page of Cups. Bottom of the deck I'm having Page of Cup. See, the Lovers, Queen of Pentacle. They want to, they see you as someone who is very financially independent, strong, okay, grounded, who know how to manage their finances. Okay, they're coming towards you with an apology, with a sorry. Okay, can you see how this Queen of Pentacle is stable, grounded, you know, peaceful, enjoying, is holding the coin in the hand. And here can you see how this Emperor is looking towards this woman. Okay, they see you as someone who is very much abundant here. That's the word I'm getting here. You are the wish fulfillment for them, and they cannot sleep at night. They're spending sleepless nights. Okay, yeah, they want to give you equal amount of give and take. Maybe in the past there was no balance in your situation. There was lot of juggling energy was there. See, they were trying so hard, or you were trying so hard to bring a balance in a situation, but now there will be a balance. They're coming towards you to give you a balance, equal amount of give and take. Six of Pentacles. Okay, they're coming towards you to give you, this person was juggling a lot to bring a balance in a situation. They were unable to bring a balance in a situation here. Okay, now clarify me. Can you please clarify me Ten of Pentacles? Please clarify me Ten of Pentacles. This is the bottom of the deck. I'm having Tower. There are sudden unexpected changes which are happening in your life or in this person's life, Aquarius. The Chariot, the Seven of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups, and the Nine of Pentacles. They see you as someone who is very happy, abundant. Can you see? They see you as someone very happy, abundant, enjoying your singlehood, and now they want to offer you a lot of love here. Can you see? Lot of love, and they want to move in a forward direction with you. Can you see? Lot of action taking energy is here. Clarify me Moon. Why there is Moon here? Okay. This person was someone, King of Cups and Knight of Wands. This person was someone with, this was a person who was a player kind of energy in the past, maybe. Can you see? King of Wands, King of Cups and Knight of Wands. So bottom of the deck I'm having Queen of Wands and Wheel of Fortune. There is Six of Cups. This is someone from your past who is coming back, who is your soulmate. Page of Cup again. Okay, so this is someone from your past with whom you have spent many past lives together. You already know this person. They see you as someone who is very, you know, very attractive, very mysterious. Okay, they see you as someone who is very attractive, very mysterious. And this person, why there is Moon? Because there was an in and out energy here. This was non-committed energy. They were unable to give you commitment here, Aquarius, because Knight of Wands is attached to King of Cups. So this was someone who was not ready to give you a commitment in the past. Okay, they were not ready to give you commitment because they cannot sit at one place. They will come, they will play with your emotions, and they will ghost you away. Okay, clarify me more, King. See, but now they are giving you Ace of Cups. Can you see? They want to give you emotional fulfillment. they move in a forward direction in search of Eight of Cups, 1001. Or you move in a forward direction in search of Eight of Cups. Someone moved in a forward direction here, Aquarius. But I see that this person move in a forward direction in search of Nine of Cups. Now they're finding that their heart belongs to you, okay? One is that thing which I'm getting clear from this picture, that they are now ready to give their heart to you basically. Now they want to give you Ace of Cups. This is very powerful reading. I'm getting two Ace of Cups in one reading. Before, in the past, they were unable to make a decision, Two of Swords. Okay, that's why the moon energy is here. Okay, they cannot give you commitment because Knight of Wands is a non-committal player, a kind of energy here. Why there is Star? Please clarify me, Star. Please give me the clarification of Star. Give me the Star. Why there is Star? Okay, so whatever has happened in the past, Eight of Swords, Ten of Wands, Seven of Swords, the Hermit. Because of this relationship, you were stuck, okay? You were restricted. You were unable to move in a forward direction because this person cheated you. 1133. They give you lies, cheating, manipulation here. Okay, you were carrying lot of burden on your shoulders. You were releasing that shoulders. You took long period of time, okay? And after this incident, you went into hermit mode here. Can you see? You went into a hermit mode. You were looking answers from within yourself, that what my soul wants. Because there was lot of lying, cheating, manipulation. Okay, you were unable to move in a forward direction. That's why you take the energy of hermit. Why there is Queen of Swords here? Five of Cups. Seven of Wands. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Strength, the World. Okay. So your defensive mode is on, Aquarius. You already know that this person is feeling very sad, remorse. They are not happy at all. Without you, they are not happy. You know this truth already. But your defensive mode is on. Your defensive mode is on. Your guards are up and you're saying that no, I do not want to deal any kind of such player kind of energies or toxic energies. No, I don't want to deal with them. But this person is gaining strength to approach you. And in every picture, I can see the infinite sign here, Aquarius. Okay. Please clarify me, Five of Pentacles. That was fast. King of Swords. This is your divine counterpart, Aquarius. I told you. They left you out in cold. King of Swords and Queen of Swords. 1313 was the recording reading time. Now you are looking answers. You are asking, maybe this person, when they approach you, you are asking questions to this person, that why you left me out in cold in the past. Okay. They left you out in cold in the past. Here. And now you're asking the questions. You already know the truth that they were not committed to you. They were emotionally unavailable at that point of time. Okay. Why there is Four of Cups here? Eight of Pentacles. Two of Swords. Six of Swords. You are not ready to accept a cup because you put lot of time, effort, energy. Okay, your energy, your time. See, Empress. This is you. Empress. You put lot of time, effort, energy. Okay, in this relationship in the past here. Can you see Eight of Pentacles? You put lot of things, your energy, your love, your time, okay, your efforts. You put lot of things in this relationship, but still they were unable to make a decision in the past. Two of Swords. They were not ready to make a decision here. Two of Swords. But don't worry at all, Aquarius. Now you will come towards a calmer waters here. Six of Swords is here. Okay. So you will come towards the calmer waters. So because of that, you are not in a mood to accept a cup, because you put lot of time, effort, everything in this relationship. But this person was unable to make a decision here, Two of Swords. That's why you're not in a mood to accept a cup from this person. But don't worry, Aquarius, you are coming towards the calmer waters. Okay. Let me see why there is Ace of Swords here. Why there is Ace of Swords? Please clarify me, Ace of Swords. Why there is Ace of Swords? With this person, you are having lot of conflicts, drama. See again. Can you see? Five of Swords, King of Wands, Two of Pentacles again, and Queen of Wands. You have the clarity that this person cannot bring a balance in a situation. With this person, you can only have lot of fighting, drama, conflicts. Okay, can you see? Five of Wands and Seven of Cups. Maybe this person was exploring lot of options in the past here with the Seven of Cups. So they were exploring lot of options here. Maybe they were open to other options. But now they are manifesting, Aquarius, or you are manifesting, but someone is here manifesting here. Can you see? Three of Pentacles and there is Hierophant. So there is a manifestation which is going on here. Okay, a marriage, a collaboration. They are manifesting you here, Aquarius, that I can see. And you have this clarity that they are manifesting you. That is the clarity which you are also having, that they are manifesting you. You already know this truth. But with this person, you can only have lot of conflicts, drama, fighting here. Why there is Death card here? What is ending? Four of Swords. Whatever past hurts was there, Aquarius, that is going to end here. Can you see what is taking place? Sun and Two of Cups. This is very, very beautiful cup. Very beautiful energy here. You are completing your healing. You're resting and rejuvenating yourself. Four of Swords is here. Now you are getting rebirth here. And what is taking rebirth? This is the happiest card in the tarot deck. The Sun and the Two of Cups. Beautiful energy. Why there is Ace of Cup here? Clarify me, Ace of Cups. The Wheel of Fortune. Wow. Because the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. Okay. This is your good karma which you are going to get back. Okay. Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. Clarify me, Wheel of Fortune. Hangman. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Four of Cups. You did not accept the cup here, Aquarius. You are not in a mood to accept a cup. And maybe, see, Four of Wands. Wow. Queen of Swords. The Star. This is your energy. You are not in a mood to accept a cup, and maybe some of you are feeling like an hangman. But there is light here. You're getting light here. You're getting hope. Okay. You are not in a mood to accept a cup from this person, but this is someone with whom you are destined to be. You want new hopes and new desires here, Aquarius. Can you see? I'm having the pair. Again. This is your divine counterpart. Queen of Swords and King of Swords. Both are here. I know they have treated you very badly in the past. That's why you are not in a mood to accept a cup here from them. But you are feeling like an hangman, or this person is feeling like an hangman. But someone is feeling like an hangman here. Because of, see, I told you to take Fool. This is the take. You have to take a leap of faith, Aquarius, and move in a forward direction. See, I know this person put you in a third party situation. I was getting the clarification of Empress. Okay, this is Three of Swords. Okay, Three of Swords, the Fool, and Ace of Wands. So yes, you have to, they are thinking about you. Okay, they ignite the passion in you too, Aquarius, and you ignite passion in this person. Okay, passion is ignited again between you and this person. I know they put you in a third party situation. They broke your heart, and after breaking your heart, you are doing your healing. You were doing your healing here. Can you see? Four of Swords, you are doing your healing, but you need to take a leap of faith, Aquarius. Okay, take a leap of faith. The Fool is here again. Take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Okay, that's the message I'm getting here. Okay. Let me pick up my cards. Okay, so you need to take a leap of faith. I know, use your intuitions and take a leap of faith. That's why the message was very clear. I know they broke your heart, they put you in a third party situation, but you need to take a leap of faith, Aquarius, and move in a forward directions. Okay, your ships are coming towards you. Emotional fulfillment is coming towards you here. Okay, now let's see what is the advice from the divine. What is the advice? Please give me the advice to my Aquarius for this reading. What is the advice from the divine, from the universe? Please give me the advice. Help me out to give you the advice for Aquarius. They are also not happy without you, Aquarius, and they're coming towards you. This is the Wheel of Fortune which is moving in your favor. Okay, just need to take a leap of faith. Now let's see what is the advice. Please give me the advice to my Aquarius. Two of Pentacles, Eight of Wands, Six of Cups. What is the advice? Hangman again. Knight of Cup. I'm not going to take Knight of Cup and King. Knight of Swords. What is the advice? Three of Pentacles. World card. What is the advice? Please give me the advice. Same cards are here, same cards are here. See, Five of Cups, Eight of Cups, and Empress. The advice for you is that, 1 minute. See again, Wheel of Fortune, Justice. This is your justice which has been served in your case, and they are not happy at all without you. Five of Cups, Queen of Swords. Okay, bottom of the deck I'm having Ace of Swords, Judgment, Four of Wands, Hierophant. This is someone with whom you are having connection. This is your divine counterpart, Aquarius. Okay, so yes, they move in a forward direction. They left you out in cold here. The Five of Pentacles, Eight of Cups is here. Okay, but they see you as someone with who is an Empress here. Can you see again the Empress is here? Use your intuitions. They see you as someone who is very happy, single, abundant, enjoying your singlehood. Nine of Pentacles and High Priestess. They coming towards you to say sorry. Okay, the Page of Cup is here again. Why? Because they were the one who was exploring the options. Knight of Wands and Seven of Cups. They were the someone who was in a player kind of energy. They were keeping the options open, and because of that they were feeling restricted, stuck. Okay, This is King of Wands here. So this is someone who is very attractive, who loves attraction, passionate, very attractive, very mysterious, very okay. And here I know they were juggling a lot to bring a balance in a situation, but the communication is coming towards you, Aquarius. Can you see again? Six of Pentacles is here. They are coming towards you to give you a balance, a situation. See, the Emperor is here again. So they're coming towards you to give you an equal amount of give and take. Six of Pentacles, the Emperor, both are here. Okay, they're coming towards you. They're rushing towards you with the offer here, Knight of Cups and Knight of Swords. They want to bring, they want to create with you here, with the collaboration here. Can you see Three of Pentacles? This is someone from your past. I told you the Six of Cups is here. This is someone who, from your past, who is coming back. And this is also a soulmate card here. Right now, maybe after this communication, you will feel like an hangman, or you are already in a hangman situation. But don't worry, you are closing out a cycle with this person. The World card is here. You're completing out a cycle. Lot of communication is coming towards you, Aquarius. So that's what I can have here. Okay. But this is someone with whom you are destined to be, Aquarius. Okay. You are destined to be with this person. They're coming towards you here. They see you as an Empress. They broke your heart. The Divine is saying just take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Emperor and the Empress both are here. Okay. Emperor and the Empress. So this was your just take a leap of faith here. Okay. So this was your reading for the month of April. See, I can show you again the Emperor and the Empress. Okay. Just take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction, Aquarius. I can have two pairs here. Queen of Swords and King of Swords. So this can be a water sign and this can be an earth, air sign. Okay, that can be a possibility. But signs can be anyone. But you are not in a mood to accept a cup from this person. But I can see here, Aquarius, this is beautiful. They want to give you Ace of Cups. Can you see? Ace of Cups is here. And they're feeling very sorry that they treated you as an option. Okay. But this person was someone who is a, you know, player kind of energy. I can say that. Okay. They cannot give you commitment in the past. But now they're coming back because the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. This is your good karma which is coming back. So this was your extended love reading for the month of April. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all my Aquarius. Take care and see you soon.